Good morning. I need some medical help.
Hello. Please tell me your full name.
My name is Alex, and I feel sick.
Do you have a very high fever?
Yes, my head hurts quite a lot today.
You must see the doctor right now.
I also need a formal medical certificate.
Why do you need this official document?
My boss needs it for my work.
The doctor will check your health first.
How long is the total waiting time?
There are only 2 people before you.
Should I sit in the waiting area?
Please take a seat near the window.
Can I have some cold water, please?
Of course, the water cooler is there.
I am very glad you are helpful.
The doctor is ready to see you.
I will go into the office now.
Please explain all your symptoms very clearly.
I hope the doctor can help me.
He is a very experienced medical expert.
Will the certificate be ready very soon?
It will be ready after the exam.
I feel much better talking to you.
Rest is very important for your recovery.
I will take some medicine tonight, Alex.
Make sure to drink plenty of water.
I am grateful for your professional help.
Get well soon and have a day.